Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix just over a day on Facebook. So you have to first take a screenshot of your problematic page, then go for in on your profile, click on this help and support and go for report a problem, scroll down, go for continue to report. So it's creating now. Wait for a second. So now in this page you have to include in report, click on camera. Now you have to upload this screenshot. Okay. After that you have to describe your problem here, and when you are done then go for this send option. So within 2 or 3 days Facebook will fix your just over a day problem. So hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.